The customer ordered our Big Dog transport robot to improve the efficiency of factory operations. We will take the robot from Shenzhen to the customer's factory for deployment and put it into production as soon as possible. The Big Dog transport robot is very powerful. First of all, it can carry 100 kilograms of goods, including heavy equipment, bulk raw materials or finished products, providing a comprehensive solution to the factory's transport needs. And it only takes a few minutes to deploy the map and have it ready to work, so no time is wasted. Our Big Dog transport robot is equipped with advanced dual 3D autonomous obstacle avoidance functions, which means it can intelligently sense and avoid potential obstacles to ensure the smooth progress of cargo transport tasks. This intelligent obstacle avoidance technology not only improves work efficiency, but also reduces potential accident risks, bringing greater safety to the work environment. What's even more convenient is that the robot can charge autonomously without manual intervention. It recharges itself when needed, ensuring uninterrupted work operation. This means it can handle multiple tasks without long waits or interruptions. Another very convenient feature is the elevator control system, which can take the elevator by itself and easily shuttle between factory floors without human intervention. This greatly improves the logistics efficiency within the factory, and the goods are distributed faster. Best of all, our Big Dog transport robots are easy to operate, even for operators with no expertise. This means that robotic systems can be deployed quickly without having to worry about complex operations, thereby increasing productivity and worker adaptability. Our Big Dog transport robots have cutting-edge automation technology that will greatly improve the efficiency of our customers' factories, reduce risks, and make work easier. We look forward to continuing to work together to provide customers with exceptional support and cutting-edge solutions to ensure their plants continue to operate successfully.